take long time because I'm not politician. I don't know how to really make a speech. But just one thing I wanted to mention over here, that all the success whatever we made over here in Ramadan, that was really a teamwork. And definitely I wanted to mention few things over here. The financial performance, and whatever I will say, I think that I have all the big financial people over here, so I cannot mention comp figures over here, because while CFO is here and Hakim is here and Shahid is here, so I think that the figures I will mention to you, it will be definitely copied. So just want to tell you that till today we have 42,507 room nights. So imagine, till May, we have 9,845 rooms ahead of budget. So this is a great achievement. I mean, we have revenue point of view, 12.2 million revenue till today, and our budget was 10.83. And I will tell you that the last year figure is 10.06. So a hotel is running 1.6 million ahead of budget, and we are really proud of it. Why I mention these figures? Because you know, the other hotels, when morning briefings they are mentioning the figures of Ramadan, they always used to say they are giving us fake figure. Guys, we are not giving fake figures. Here, 200 staff at Ramadan, they are focused, they have one ambition, they have a mission, that we have to keep happy our owner, we have to keep happy our guest, and at the end we will be rewarded, and all of us will be happy also. We are a very different team. Every month in monthly celebration, these figures we are discussing in front of everybody, because we don't discuss only in morning briefings with the head of department. Any member in Ramadan, they know what we are doing. I was in a meeting today in Dubai with a 5-star hotel on the instruction of His Highness. Believe me, these figures when I discussed with those people, they were really not sure what is happening in their hotel. And I'm proud that if I ask this question to any person who is doing the back office kitchen cleaning, believe me, he will share the same, because every month they are aware that where we are moving. And for me it is very important. It's not important that where we were, what we were doing before, but it is very important that in what direction we are moving, and Ramadan is set to move really in the right direction. We know where we are going, and inshallah all of us will make our career. We have already started very good thing for you guys, cross training, and how many people are already moved from different departments to different departments. They have a new career also. And from the day one, when I came over here, I shared with you that when I came in this country, I was a reservation clerk. Within 5 years, I became as an EM of a very reputed hotel in this country. It can happen with Iftikhar Hamdani, it can happen with anybody, any member of Ramadan. That's why all of us, we are very much focused. We have in our mind that we make our career and we make something for the hotel also. That is the reason that we are really improving every month. Few things, few development which I wanted to share with you, that in a short span of time, we have a good support from the group company also. That's why we moved all of you from Al-Jaf to Tower A. In a short span of time, we have started a real staff committee, and we have election. It's not a union, but believe me, that very active president and very active committee, that we have developed so many activities. We had activities on the beach, where you guys played all the teams volleyball. Recently we have started the football, and in June we are starting the cricket also. So all of us away from family, we consider that the Ramadan team is our family. Back at home we are going after 2 years, after 1 year, but here we are staying all the time together. So we have given this chance that nobody should understand that they have homesickness. All of us. That's why maybe they were mentioning that I'm the father of Ramadan, because we are taking care totally differently. People, they have free option to come and to meet with me. We don't have a closed door policy. We have open door policy where everybody, they have HR, they have staff committee, but even though they are open, they can come and they can meet us anytime and to discuss their problems. And we are really proud that we are going every month with a very good success. One side is a financial performance, on the other side is a career for all of you, and be assured that this will continue, inshallah. From our side, this will be ongoing process and it will never stop. Anyway, thank you very much for listening to me. I'm not a politician, but again I said so many things to you, and again, enjoy this party, and thank you for being with us. Thank you.